This video is on how to reset your password on the e-filing portal. In case you forget your e-filing portal password, or if you're not aware of your password for any reason, you can reset it using this service. There are 3 methods which have been provided for resetting the password. The first is using OTP received on mobile number registered with Aadhaar. Secondly, you can reset your password using OTP received on mobile number and email ID registered on the e-filing portal. Alternatively, you can also reset your password using digital signature certificate. In order to reset your password using OTP received on mobile number registered with Aadhaar, you should have your PAN linked with Aadhaar in case of an individual taxpayer. But for taxpayers other than individuals, except company and HUF, PAN of the principal contact should be linked with Aadhaar. For resetting your password using OTP received on mobile number registered e-filing portal, you should have access to the primary email ID and the mobile number registered with the e-filing portal. For resetting your password using digital signature certificate, you should have a class 2 or class 3 DSC, which should be procured from a certified authority. It should be plugged into your computer, and the DSC should be valid and active. It should be downloaded and installed using emSigner utility. Let us now look at step by step how do we reset our password on the e-filing portal. First of all, you are required to go to the e-filing portal and enter your user ID, which is generally your PAN number in case of individuals. For other than individuals, you can also enter your Aadhaar number as your user ID. In case of a chartered accountant, tax deductor and collector, or the e-return intermediary, there will be other user IDs. Post entering your user ID, you are required to click on Forgot Password. You are again required to enter your user ID and click on Continue button. Now you are required to select the option for resetting your password, and if you decide to reset your password using OTP received on mobile number registered with Aadhaar number, you can select that option and then click on Continue button. If you already have an OTP, you can check that radio button. However, if you want to generate an OTP, you can click the radio button, Generate OTP, then click on Continue button. You are required to agree to validate your Aadhaar details and then click on Generate Aadhaar OTP. The Aadhaar OTP will be sent on your mobile number registered with Aadhaar. You are required to enter the 6-digit OTP and then click on Verify. Post verification, you can set your new password and confirm the password and then click on Submit button. Please ensure that while you're entering your new password, it should be at least 8 characters and at most 14 characters. It should include both uppercase and lowercase letters. It should also contain a number and a special character. Once the password will be reset, a success message will be displayed along with the transaction ID. You are required to keep a note of the transaction ID for future reference. You can now log in with your new password. If your mobile number is not registered on the Aadhaar number, you can choose the method of selecting e-filing OTP and then click on Continue button. For the purpose of verification of your identity, you are required to enter the date of birth or the date of incorporation and then click on Continue button. An OTP will be received on your mobile number and email ID registered with the e-filing portal. You are required to enter the mobile OTP and also the email OTP and then click on Verify button. Post verification, you can set your new password and confirm the password and then click on Submit button. The password rules remain the same. Post resetting, a success message will be displayed along with the transaction ID. The third method of resetting your password is by uploading digital signature certificate. You can select the radio box and click on Continue button. Here you are required to upload an active level 2 or above DSC approved by a certifying authority, resetting your password using DSC. You can choose the radio button as New DSC or Registered DSC. Choose the radio button of Registered DSC if your DSC is already registered on the e-filing portal. Select checkbox that I have downloaded emSigner utility and then click on Continue button. In case you wish to download the emSigner utility, you can click on and download your emSigner utility. You can select the details of DSC and then click on Sign button. Now you can set your new password and confirm the password and then click on submit button. Please note that the password cannot be same as 3 previous passwords. Please enter a new password every time. Post resetting the password, a success message will be displayed along with the transaction ID.
दोस्तों उम्मीद करते हैं कि इनकम टैक्स का लॉगिन पासवर्ड कैसे रीसेट करें आप अच्छी तरह से स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझ चुके होंगे। फिर भी अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं, हम आपकी ज़रूर मदद करेंगे। दोस्तों ऐसी वीडियो पाने के लिए हमारे चैनल डिस्ट्री ऑनलाइन स्टडी को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स टू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स।